Okay, once again, what are we doing here? Thomas and Percy, we got an alert or whatever that there's some new evil here or whatever. Yup, true, so that's why we came here. It should be around here somewhere. We should just either wait for it or just start looking for it. Wait, we're superheroes now? Where did this crap come from or whatever? I don't know, James, but we gotta, stay put or whatever. Huh? What the hell is that? I don't know. It looks like a little tiny remote thing or whatever. Oh, it's odd. Yup, it's very odd. But where did it came from or whatever? This shit makes no sense or whatever. Uh-oh. Well, I think that was the new evil. The alert was about it. Come on, let's take it down. Move. That was easy. Never mind. Take that, take that, take that, take that. My tender, no, not my tender. There, I destroyed that shit. See, I destroyed it. Sure, we destroyed that remote or whatever, but how about the freaking tripod robot thing or whatever that's trying to kill us? Oh, yeah. I don't know about that. It's not doing nothing. We're just fighting separately with ourselves. We need to work together so we can order to defeat this shithead by ourselves. Yeah, you're right, but how? Oh, we need to think of a plan. I don't know. We gotta move fucking fast though. This thing is almost getting out of control. And oh, I hear. James distract him. What? We got an idea, right, Percy? Wait, we do? Yeah. Wait, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh. Let's attack it all at once. I'll take care of this shithead. There. It's dead. There, we did it. We killed this fucker. Oh, yeah, we did it. 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 Huh? Oh. How the hell is it still alive? We literally just cut off his freaking head. I did the main body. It's like the legs or whatever. It's still moving and it's still alive. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. We gotta do something. Alright, just kill us. No, we can't give up. We can never give up. Die, 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 die. Muérete, cabrón. Muérete. Muérete, cabrón. Muérete. 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 I ripped out one of his fucking leg. Let me try again. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. It's dead. May you burn in hell, asshole. Literally. I did it. We killed them all. Yeah. It was actually you, Thomas. You came out with the plan, to be honest. And in the end, you defeated him. Yeah, true, to be honest. But we all did it as a team. We all worked together to team up. And we at least try stopping him for a little bit. It did work, but in the end, sure, it was my idea, but I defeated him in the end. But we all take credit for it. In the end, we did it together. Yeah. Good job. Yahoo. Can we go home now? To be honest, yes.